change the tire size on my truck. Well, let me hurry up and get up and. Alright. Now I'm gonna load up the Forscan. I meant Forscan. Load that up. What the fuck is all this? Okay. Load that up. And I'm gonna plug in my little scanner. Alright, so everything plugged in. So what you wanna do, you go down to here, connect the vehicle. Switch to rear mode. Demo mode active. Switch to rear mode, yes. Ignition key is on. Okay. Vehicle's not moving. Okay. Everything good. Alright. Okay. Alright. This is a 2004. Everything's scanning right now. Everything's scanning. The codes I got. Like save the profile, yes. Alright, so after you got your truck on, well, not actually on, but you know, on the battery, you got the ignition on, you go here. Now, once you finish scanning everything, you go here to that little option right there. Then you go here to the ABS module. You go down here and you hit one service. Bam, that pops up. So what I'm looking for is this right here. Tire size, revs per mile. So this says 655. I'm supposed to be at what's that? 570. 570. Double tap. Change that to 570. Bam. Got that. So once you change that, you're going to hit right. Say to the ECU. That pops up. It tells you you're changing that to the new one. You're going to hit the check mark. Bam. And then, you know, it's right to save it to ECU. White and black failed. Now, I had to go back because I had 570 right there. But the truck limit is 600. So meaning my wheels is not really supposed to be on here. So 600 at least would get me close enough to that 570 range. Meaning what it is, 570, what I mean by that, 570 is fitted for 35-inch wheels. I think 600 is suited for 34-inch wheels. Tires, 34-inch tires. So I'm like, all right, at least I'm a little bit closer so I can still get some power back that I'm missing. Actually, last thing you want to do after you change your tire size, you go to here, the little wrench, and you want to reset all adaptions so it can learn everything. Hit the run service procedure. The procedure will learn, and that is store, that is blah blah, back to normal. The vehicle must be repaired and served. Make sure the following is initial. The vehicle is not moving. Alright, so hit OK. So it's resetting everything. Please turn off ignition. Ignition is turned off. Turn it back on, but don't start engine. Alright, it's turned on. Everything is complete. You good. Everything is good. So What to do? Start it up. I deleted all my check engine lights because they is basically for, like I said, my catalytic converter. I don't have no cats on there, so I deleted the check engine light.